Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download MP3 songs using Chrome. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, go to the Chrome on your mobile. When you are on the Chrome, you will see the search bar. In the Google search bar, type Pixabay as you can see. I use this website to download the music. In this website, you will see few options like photos, illustrations, vectors, videos, and music. Click on Music. When you click on Music, in the down below here you will see the music. These are the musics, in which I selected the third one. When I select this, you will see the download option. In the right side, simply click on Download. When you click on Download, the music will download it on your phone. Then you will go back to your music player on your phone and play the music, and enjoy your music. So this is the simple method to download the music from Chrome. So that's basically how you can download MP3 songs using Chrome. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.